Jai Hind everyone. Today we are starting with the chapter of class 11th History chapter An Empire Across Three Continents. As we all know that empires plays an important role in shaping the political, social and economic destiny of a nation. Today, the chapter we are discussing tells about a vast empire which was ruling in three continents, and these areas were mainly the European part, the North African part, and the western part of Asia. These all parts were ruled by a common king, and they ruled till 7th century. After the 7th century, there was a disintegration of the Roman Empire. Roman Empire is considered as a classical age for many of the people because they considered Roman Empire as spiritual, because in this period of time till 7th century the people were very much understanding logical, they were ruling, they were prosperity among the area. This whole area is a fertile area which is mainly there are many river bodies. When we talk about the extent, whether we talk about that from Spain to Egypt, from Euphrates river to many of the parts, and the main heart of this Roman empire was the Mediterranean Sea. This Mediterranean Sea act as a trade option for many countries, and there were many centers which were being emerging. Carthage, like the Carthage, Antioch, Alexandria. These all centers were the trade centers which were very important in the Roman Empire. Now, when we talk about that, the Roman Empire was the only powerful empire. No, there were many empires. For example, Roman Empire was ruling in the three continents, and there was other empire also. That was the Iranian Empire or the Persian Empire. Iranian Empire and Persian, the community of Parsi, Zoroastrians, they were originated from Persia. Later in Iran, when the Muslims were dominating, the Zoroastrians had to leave this country because of the atrocities they were facing, and they established their kingdoms in different parts, or they established their small communities. Same wise, the Persian Empire and the Roman Empire, both the empires were equally powerful, and they were separated by the river Euphrates. And also it was a period when these both empire were having the cutthroat competition, and they were fighting with each other. Now, when we talk about that, what can be seen in this film is this map. This map shows the trading centers, and yes, when we talk about this whole Roman Empire, the main country was the Italy, and the center was Rome. When the disintegration will hold, it shows that the Spain, whether there are many speaking diversity we are able to see in the Roman Empire, like the Tripolitania and the Carthagena or Carthage. These areas were Greek or Latin speaking. They are the earliest language. Hebrew speakers are also there. Means we can see it is a mosaic of culture. In the Iranian Empire, we are not able to see that in the Iranian Empire there is a uniformity. There is a single ruler ruling single people. The ruler is mainly Parthian or the Sasanian dynasty. But in the Roman Empire, the empire was too diverse, whether from Rome dominated the Mediterranean from the north to the south. It was separated by Iranian, as I told, from Euphrates river, and from Spain to west to Syria in the east. The empire was vast stretch, and it was also the Rhine and Danube river, very important rivers, because Rhine and Danube river were such rivers from where the 3rd century crisis was started, because the local tribes was not liking the expansion of the Roman Empire. Okay, this is a map which is showing the 7th century map, when in Makkah and Medina there was a in 7th century there was a rise of Islam, and because of the rise of Islam, these superpowers, whether the Iranian power or the you can say Roman power, They were the powerful powers which were known as Tachin in the Chinese language. But after the expansion in the 17th century, both the empires were demolished because of the Islamism. And when Islamism flourished, it flourished from Arabian countries to over Asia. Okay, so these are the map, and we see that Baghdad was a main capital. In fifth chapter, we will understand. In third chapter, we will understand about nomadic empire. We will understand these points also. See, Roman Empire is divided into many ages. First is the Roman age. A Roman age, you can say, or Stone Age, where the kingdom was started. Then there was a Republican age. Republican age was ruled by Julius Caesar, who was respecting the Senate. Senate is a member of parliament, or the council, you can say. So the Senate was ruling, and the Senate was working under the Republican. But after the end of the rule of Julius Caesar and the starting of Augustus, this whole period was a period of stability. But the Senate was not having the power in the Roman Empire when Augustus, or you can say the adopted son of Julius Caesar, was having the power. And we can divide the time period of you can say Augustus in two period. Yeah, you can say after Republican, the Roman Empire is broadly divided into two, early and late. In early period is that till third century. Third century, the whole empire was stable. But after the third century till the 7th century, it is considered as a late period, because the people, there was so much instability, people were not happy, and there were many problems to it. Now I hope this introduction you have understood very well. We will understand more perspectives about Roman Empire in other videos. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.